Hey everybody, welcome back. It is your Natural Nail Guru, and today we have an exciting video because we are announcing the winner of the 5K giveaway. So earlier in the month of May, our YouTube channel reached 5K, which is really exciting for me. I'm still kind of new on YouTube, but I'm really just focused on getting information out there to show people how they can get the same results that I get in my shop, which is long-lasting manicures and the most important, improved overall natural nail health and strength and growth. So YouTube is really just my driver of being able to get that information out to you guys. And I'm just so grateful for those that have been watching, that are subscribed, those that are sharing, commenting, that have taken some of the tips that I've given and have seen improvements themselves. I'm really grateful for that. I have so much more information to share, so much more product to review and share with you guys. And you know that no one is reviewing products like Oh My Gel. But just really excited for all that's to come. And with that 5K, I did launch a giveaway open to the US, and that giveaway gives you a Beetles gel kit with like 20 colors, and there's a couple different combinations you can choose from, and also a $100 Amazon gift card just to show my gratitude and get a little excitement over getting that 5K. We still have so much more to go. This is the first of many thank yous I'm sure I'm gonna be giving to all the viewers and all those subscribing. So thank you again. So I'm not gonna keep blabbing on. With that said, let's announce the winner of our 5K. And the winner is Daisy Martinez. Daisy, we're gonna be reaching out to you. Thank you so much for supporting and commenting and your kind words. And I'm really excited to get this kit out to you and your gift card, and I hope that you enjoy it. For those that didn't win, don't worry, we have more giveaways. And if you are watching on my IG, I have a lot of mini giveaways that are happening on there. So make sure if you're not already subscribed or following on my IG that you do. The link is down below. We'll put up something that says @OhMyGel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in. And I am so excited for all that is still to come to Oh My Gel and to this great YouTube channel and to all the viewers. So thank you so much everyone, and I will see you guys later. Bye.